Hello friends, I'm here for New to Me. It's an open collab hosted by Kimmy's Kitchen and more. I will tag her down below. So first I want to share with you this organic gingerade. It says healthy digestion. It's a ginger tea. And I've been drinking it in the evenings. And I feel better after drinking it for like 5 days now. And I found it, my aunt got these at Sprouts, but I found them on Amazon if I want to order some more. Next, she got this Stonefire Nan roasted garlic. She didn't like it. I did because it has garlic. And you know what? It would taste good with like a chicken wrap, like a chicken pita with grilled chicken, lettuce, tomato, and the tzatziki sauce. My mouth is watering just thinking about it, but yesterday night I had my tea and like half of one of these, and I saw Betty from Pretirement Comfort Food. I will tag her down below. I've been following her for a while. So she put out some flatbread and she made butter garlic. And she put it on the flatbread and then she put cheese on it. So after seeing her video, I put since it already has tastes like garlic, I just put butter. And then I put a Mexican cheese blend on it. And I warmed it up in the microwave. And it tasted really good. So tomorrow morning I'll probably have it with some coffee and I'll eat half of it. I don't know where she found that. And then this is the I had shown in my Target haul. The S'mores Favorite Day Trail Mix. The blue mix was too sweet for me. I gave it to my aunt. But I'm going to taste it now and take it to work as a snack. So this is how it is. I think chocolate. And this has graham cookies. And peanuts. And marshmallows. So I like this one better. It's not as sweet, but it is like chocolatey, so the chocolate's what makes it sweet. And the marshmallows. S'mores coated peanuts, graham cookies, semi-sweet chocolate chunks, dried marshmallows, and peanuts. And these would be good like with hot chocolate. So that's what's new to me for this week. Thank you all for watching. Take care, and until next time, bye.